Microsoft Authenticator is a mobile app that enhances the security of your online accounts by enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. To get started, first download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account and add a personal work school account. Okay? So, to secure an account, navigate to the security settings of the servers that you wish to protect, such as your Microsoft account. Look for the two-factor authentication option and choose to add Microsoft Authenticator as a method. You're going to then be prompted to scan a QR code with the app. Open Microsoft Authenticator, tap the plus icon, and then use your phone's camera to scan the code on your screen. After the scan, the app will generate a time-based one-time passcode, a TOTP. Whenever you sign in to the service, you're going to be asked to provide this code in addition to your password, enhancing your security. Microsoft Authenticator also supports push notifications, allowing you to approve sign-ins with a simple tap. This can back up your accounts to the cloud, making it easier to recover your data if you switch devices. Overall, Microsoft Authenticator offers an extra level of protection for your online accounts. Let me know if this helped.